What are transformers? Transformers are devices that are used to transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another. Think of it like a seesaw or a lever, where one end is the input and the other end is the output. But how do they work? Transformers work through a process called electromagnetic induction. Inside the transformer, there is a core made of iron, and around it, there are two coils of wire, called the primary and the secondary coil. When a voltage is applied to the primary coil, the fluctuating magnetic field induces an electrical current in the secondary coil, which is the output of the transformer. They work only with alternating current. The voltage level of the output can be adjusted by changing the number of turns in the primary and secondary coils, much like adjusting the distance of the pivot point on a seesaw or lever. Looking for something fun and educational to do with your kids? Look no further than Schogini Toys, electronic DIY kits for kids.